All right, Mr. Cervantes, do you understand by entering into a plea in each of these cause numbers you will be deported?
Yes.
You understand you will not be allowed to re-enter the United States?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you understand you will be denied naturalization?
Sí.
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it? What are you doing to maintain your sobriety?
Well, I'm just not gonna drink because I usually don't drink. It was just my sister's birthday, so it was a family function, and I won't drink no more. And I don't drink. It was just
No, you do drink. And let me just tell you why I know you drink. Allegedly, this case has been indicted because you were driving while intoxicated with a child under 15. So allegedly, that means that you were drinking alcohol. That's why it's driving while intoxicated. All right, who's here on Jose Cervantes?
Present, Your Honor.
Court is calling 2024 CR 012667. Oh, I'm so sorry.
Really?
All right, the court is calling 2024 CR 012667, 2024 CR 012668, State versus Jose Angel Cervantes. Can I have parties announced?
Michael De Leon for Mr. Cervantes.
And are you Mr. Cervantes?
Sí.
Yes.
Right, we have an interpreter. If you could raise your right hand for me, please. Do you solemnly swear and affirm you will faithfully translate from English into Spanish and Spanish into English, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
Mr. Cervantes, all of the documents I'm going to review with you are in English. Were those documents explained to you in Spanish?
Sí.
Yes.
Defense, were you able to explain these documents to Mr. Cervantes in Spanish?
Yes,
Counsel, have you received all discovery in each of the cause numbers?
I have, Your Honor.
Did you review that with your attorney?
Yes,
In each of the cause numbers, the court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. In each cause number, Mr. Cervantes, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Sí.
Yes.
Counsel, in each cause number, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
we do, Your Honor.
State, in the cause number ending in 6-7, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yeah.
And the cause number ending in 6-8, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor, yes. Count 1 and 18 counts 2.
No objection.
Mr. Cervantes, did you review the documents entitled court admonishments in each cause number?
Sí.
Yes.
And did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Sí.
Yes.
And were these documents explained to you by your attorney in Spanish?
Sí.
Yes.
In each cause number, you're charged with indecency with a child's sexual contact. That's a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Sí.
Yes.
In each cause number, you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state would call in the right to remain silent. By entering into these pleas, you were giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in each of these cause numbers?
Sí.
Yes.
Counsel, in each cause number, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do.
Mr. Cervantes, in each of the cause numbers, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No.
No.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Sí.
Yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
No.
No.
Off the record for a moment. Cindy, do you need a cough drop or anything? Okay. Let me know when you're ready to proceed.
If this courtroom trial has you hooked, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more intense trials and shocking outbursts. Your support means a lot to us. Thanks.
Right. All right, we're back on the record. Mr. DeLeon, did you discuss the immigration implications by entering into a plea in each of these cause numbers with your client?
Your Honor, I have. I've discussed immigration consequences with Mr. Cervantes. I've also gotten a Padilla letter from Ms. Coles Davila, immigration lawyer who went through our entire situation that we have with Mr. Cervantes, and I've explained those immigration consequences to him.
All right, Mr. Cervantes, do you understand by entering into a plea in each of these cause numbers, you will be deported?
Yes.
You understand you will not be allowed to re-enter the United States?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you understand you will be denied naturalization?
Sí.
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Sí.
Yes.
In each of the cause numbers, your punishment is to be assessed at a $1,500 fine, 8 years in the prison. The cases will run concurrently. There's to be Chapter 62 compliance, and there's to be no contact with the complainants. Did you understand that to be your plea?
Sí, lo entiendo.
Yes, I understand.
Defense, is that the plea?
That is the plea agreement. Yes, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Sí.
Yes.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Sí.
Yes.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No such motions, Your Honor.
Then to count one in cause number 2024 CR 012668, how do you plea?
No me opongo.
No contest.
And cause number 2024 CR 012667, how do you plea?
No me opongo.
No contest.
State, any evidence to support the plea?
In both cases, state law firms to exhibit one and attachments.
We've reviewed that, Your Honor. No objection.
In each of the cause numbers, did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Sí.
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the forms of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Sí.
Yes.
In each cause number, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, in each cause number, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will find you guilty. Is there a reason I should accept this plea?
Yes, Your Honor, I spoke with both of the complainants, both these complainants, social guidance.
All right. Are you waiving PSI?
We are, Your Honor.
Right. And then in each cause number, and we'll start with cause number ending in 6-8. The court will sentence you to 8 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's a $1,500 fine. This will run concurrent with 2024 CR 012667. There's Chapter 62 compliance. There's to be no re-entry to the United States. There's to be no contact with minors. And no contact with the complainant. And the cause number 2024 CR 012667. The court will sentence you to 8 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's a $1,500 fine. This will run concurrent with 2024 CR 012668. There's to be no reentry to the United States. Chapter 62 compliance. There's to be no contact with minors and no contact with the complainant. Is there anything else with regards to sentencing in either of the cause numbers?
Not with regards to sentencing, but the state does have a question after the process.
All right. Did you review the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes.
Because these are plea bargain agreements, because the court has followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because these are felony convictions, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Hey,
Yes.
All right. And there's something you wanted to say, counsel?
Party and then Quentin Francis.
Yes.
You want to do that in the box?
Oh, yes, you can. All right. They're going to read something to you in the box, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Put Abel Hernandez up there too, I guess.
Oh, he'll just be in the, he's going to be in the box and they're going to have some they want to read him something.
Sorry.
He said he's gonna take over your,
Okay. All right. Thank
we have
you.
the record, right?
Yes.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
You know what?
All right. Roxanne Gonzalez. You need to show your video, please. All right. All right. Could you say something so we can see if we can hear you?
Yes, fine. Hello.
Hello. All right. So we have a motion, a violation report saying that you are still drinking alcohol. You're not allowed to drink alcohol. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So what are you doing to help maintain your sobriety?
Well, I don't drink. It was just a little bit, and I know it was wrong.
No, I cannot hear you. You need to stay still, stop moving around, because when you move around, we can't hear you. So what are you doing to maintain your sobriety?
Well, I'm just not gonna drink because I usually don't drink. It was just my sister's birthday, so it was a family function, and I won't drink no more. And I don't drink. It was just
No, you do drink. And let me just tell you why I know you drink. Allegedly, this case has been indicted because you were driving while intoxicated with a child under 15. So allegedly, that means that you were drinking alcohol. That's why it's driving while intoxicated. You're on bond for driving while intoxicated with a child under 15, which you think would be a wake-up call for you not to drink alcohol. And you're still using excuses to drink. So what I'm telling you is you are not allowed to drink while you are on bond. Now, what I can do is I can issue a warrant for your arrest. And if you drink, it'll be you making alcohol at the Bexar County Jail, which my understanding you can do with orange pills after you let it mold. So that will be the only way that you'll be getting your alcohol.
Is that true?
You understand? So I'm going to follow through on the recommendation from the state. You're going to continue with ignition interlock. You are going to take the alcohol awareness course and you're going to do 30 sober meetings in 30 days. If you violate that, a motion is going to be sent to me. It's going to be another violation report. You're going to be required to appear in court and answer for it. Do you understand?
yes, ma'am.
All right. Is there anything else?
No, Your Honor.
All right. So Ms. Ferguson, on this case, recall it back for, they had on the 30th, it was going to be a blood discovery.
We're still waiting on the blood evidence.
All right, Norma, if you'll recall this back for the 4th week in July, please.
The 21st.
All right, so you're going to be back here on July 21st.
Judge, I'm on vacation that week. I'll be
Okay.
back the following week.
All right, let me see. Just 1 second. Oh, where are you going? Are you just going to be a staycation?
No, I'm taking the kids to Florida, the wife and kids to Florida.
Oh, that's going to be awesome. So you want to do it the week of the 28th? Or you want to do it the week of the 14th,
Of August.
July?
I'll get back, like August 1st, Judge.
All right, so do you want to do it the week of July 14th? Is that good or no?
No, we're going a long time.
Oh, okay. All right, Norma,
Yes,
set this for the week of August 1st. I'm sorry, August 4th.
I can do the 4th.
All right, you're going to be back on August 4th. And state that's the final discovery. So the blood discovery needs to be given to him. And if some reason they don't have the blood discovery, then they need to be here to explain why they don't have it. Criminal Trial Division?
May I be excused, Your Honor?
Yes. Hi. Hi.
Sorry.
That's okay. On Roxanne Gonzalez, we've been waiting for a blood discovery since February. So it's being recalled for August 4th. If for some reason the blood discovery is not in at that time, then someone from that department needs to be down here to explain why it's not completed.
We have it.
Oh, you have it? Ah. So have you tendered an offer to defense?
No.
All right, tender an offer to defense, and defense, then that will be your plea deadline date, August 4th.
This is something. Apparently I did.
Judge, he gave me an offer long.
All right, your plea deadline date is going to be August 4th.
Thank you.
After that, you're going to have a jury trial date. All right, you're excused.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thanks for joining us and witnessing this intense courtroom moment. If this trial got you thinking, be sure to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below. Stay tuned for more gripping courtroom moments as we continue to bring you the most shocking trials. See you in the next one.